Peeling paint caused by previous incompatible paint layers can totally wreck your walls and make your place look sloppy fast. So, if you're dealing with peeling paint, the first thing you want to do is strip off all those old layers that don't get along, like literally scrape or sand them down until the surface is smooth. Then, clean the area real good to get rid of dust and grime, because fresh paint sticks way better on a clean surface. Next, grab a high-quality primer made for your wall type and apply it evenly. This helps the new paint bond with the surface and prevents peeling again. When you pick your paint, make sure it's compatible with the primer and the surface material. Mixing oil-based paint over latex, for example, is a big no-no. Always let each layer dry completely before adding the next one. Rushing this part can cause bubbling and peeling. If you spot any cracks or holes, fill those with a good filler and sand smooth before painting. Try to keep your painting environment between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit because extreme temps mess with how paint cures. And lastly, don't skip on using quality brushes or rollers. They make a huge difference in how smooth and durable your finish turns out. One of the biggest mistakes people make with peeling paint from incompatible layers is slapping new paint right on top without prepping, which just leads to more peeling and wasted effort. Fix that by always removing old layers and sanding down the surface first. Another common problem is skipping primer or using the wrong type, which means the new paint won't stick well. Make sure to pick a primer that suits both your wall and paint type. The third issue is painting over damp or dirty surfaces. His paint hates moisture and dirt, so always clean and dry your wall before painting to avoid peeling down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and have good reviews. It also helps contractors get connected with people looking for reliable help, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.